Oh, the balance of the cream and the Italian sausage and the tortellini. This is a super gift. Hey, I'm Ali Carr, and on this episode of Serve It, I'm helping you make one of my favorite soups. It's a tortellini and sausage soup, all done in your slow cooker. Not only could you make this ahead of time and gift it to neighbors or friends and family, but it is the perfect slow cooker meal on a cold winter night. Let's gather all of our ingredients to make this prep even easier. I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle a tablespoon of oil in your pan, and then go ahead and add your sweet Italian sausage. This is really where a lot of the flavor comes from. So when I was growing up, we would always do between Thanksgiving and Christmas a soup exchange with some of our good family friends. We had moved from Louisiana when I was a kid, and so we didn't have family nearby, either did some of our friends. It was a really fun way to share some recipes that then we could make at home for our own family. And plus, who does not love a big cup of warm soup on a cold winter day? Like warms the soul. Once we have our sausage browned, we're gonna go ahead and add it to our slow cooker. Keep that warm for a little bit. And then we're gonna saute our onions, our carrots, and our celery. This combo is actually known as the French Holy Trinity. And then the Cajun Holy Trinity swaps out the carrots for bell peppers because carrots weren't as common in the South. Add our garlic. We're gonna let this cook down really until the carrots are nice and soft and the onions are translucent. Okay, so once your veggies are a little softened, and I'm noticing a little browning too on the onions, they're getting a little caramelized, we're gonna go ahead and add that back into our slow cooker with our sausage. All right, now the most complex step is already done. I'm gonna give this a good stir, and then we're just gonna go ahead and add all of our remaining ingredients right into the slow cooker. My tomatoes, spinach, cream. Go. Add in our spices. Just to make sure we have moisture that's covering the tortellini, I'm gonna go ahead and add our dried cheese tortellini to the top. If you do use fresh or soft tortellini, just add it at the very end, just to warm it up just a bit. And our stock. Set this for about 2 to 3 hours. Once it starts to warm up, I'm gonna come back and give it just a nice stir to kind of mix in that cream cheese. But the key to this recipe with the cream and the cream cheese is slow and steady wins the race. Warm it nice and slow. Okay, so we've let this sit for about 2 to 3 hours. Look at this creamy deliciousness. All of our vegetables had cooked down perfectly. The flavors have married together. So let's serve it up. I love serving this soup with a little like buttery Chardonnay. You could get a French baguette to serve right along with it. All right, let's give it a taste. Oh, the balance of the cream and the Italian sausage and the tortellini. This was all put together in about 20 minutes of preparation, 2 to 3 hours in your slow cooker. This is gonna be one of your favorite winter soups to serve up for friends and family.